Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check your credit score with Capital One. Alright, so there's CreditWise by Capital One. What you want to do is to visit the Capital One website and then log into your Capital One account using your username and password, and then you can access CreditWise, which provides free credit scores, reports, and monitoring, and then just view your credit score, which is updated monthly. Now, for a couple of features on CreditWise, there is the credit score, so you can view your credit score, which is based on data from TransUnion, and there's also a credit report, so you can view your credit report, which includes information on your credit accounts, inquiries, and public records. You could also do credit monitoring, where you're going to receive alerts when changes are detected on your credit reports. There's also credit tools, so you can access credit tools such as a credit score simulator and credit card payoff calculator. Now, the eligibility for CreditWise, of course, the first is you got to be a Capital One customer. So you have CreditWise is available to Capital One customers, including credit card holders and bank account holders. There's also a credit card is also available to non-Capital One customers who can sign up for a free account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.